Hi everyone, today we are going to be reacting to my own series, which only has 2 episodes, so don't expect this video to be long. I will have to mute the music, so like, yeah, basically I will have to mute the music because like, yeah, it's copyright, like, so, yeah, it's copyright, so... Yeah, let's get started.
Hi everyone, today's mini movie is Bobby Apocalypse.
Like every single other video. Almost got it. What?
Whoa, 4 babies. What is this woman? Is this woman? What? Also, why is this not full screen? I'm so confused.
At home.
Oh look, why are the babies waking up already? Should they get some rest?
Okay, toys, all toys are for me. Why are they already standing up and how are they already talking? This is so confusing. Calm down, she's just a baby. I'm sorry for yelling at you. How are these kids' hair dyed except for Penelope's? I'm Kate's. I'm so confused. Can you take care of the babies while we're gone? No, you cannot. No, do not take care of the babies.
To the mall.
To buy dresses. Okay. What time will I be there? About 20,000 minutes. Okay.
I have no idea
What's happening? So, bye, Mom. I think I'll start to post more videos like this. Mother, hello, dear. Wow. This is the word, Mom. At the mall. Couldn't you just put text like...
I would like to buy some dresses. I want all with the dresses. Here you go. What? That's Uno cards.
Thank you. Have a nice day for shopping.
This is before Gotcha Club came out, by the way, so
Mommy, do I look pretty? Is that my makeup? Can I use it? Yes. What a great way to start off.
Why is no one paying attention? Yeah, why is no one paying attention to you? Why is everyone crying? Your sister isn't paying.
Yeah, we can clearly see that. She's not speaking. She can't. What? That was too fast. No, Candy. You're getting a timeout. Great.
We grew hair too. I'm sorry.
Well,
yeah, she was talking to you. Part 2, calm down for part 2. Yeah, part 2, this is coming. Bye.